Hello dear students. In this video, let us discuss how to find median of ungrouped data. In ungrouped data, we are given with observations and the frequency corresponding to those observations. When individual observations are given, we write them in ascending order and find out the middlemost value. That middlemost value is the median. Even in ungrouped data also, we will arrange the observations in ascending order and locate the middlemost value. Median is a measure of central tendency which gives the value of middlemost observation in the data. To find the median of ungrouped data, we first arrange the data in ascending order. If the number of observations n is odd, the median is n plus 1 by 2th observation. If number of observations n is even, then the median is average of n by 2 observation and n by 2 plus 1th observation. Say n is equal to 11. 11 observations are there. Then what is the middlemost observation? 11 plus 1 by 2. This is 12 by 2 is 6. Sixth observation. Sixth observation is middle one when there are 11 observations. When there are 11 observations, 5 observations are to the left of sixth observation and 5 to the right of. If n is even, let us take n is equal to 10, then n by 2, that is 10 by 2, fifth observation, and then next observation is sixth observation. The average of these two observations is the median. Here we are given with marks obtained by 100 students in a test. The marks obtained, these are observations, number of students, this is frequency. The observations are not given in order, so first we have to write them in ascending order. So 20, the next one 25, then 28, 29, 33, 38, 42, 43. In this way, we have to write in ascending order. Let us write the corresponding frequencies. For 20, it is 6. For 25 is 20. For 28 is 24. For 29 is 28. For 33 is 15. For 38 is 4. 42, 2. 43, 1. To find the middlemost value, here we have 100 students. So the middlemost observation is 50th observation and 51st observation. So we have to identify 50th observation here. So here we have 6 observations with value 20, 20 observations with value 25, 24 observations with value 28. So first we have to add these frequencies to locate the 50th observation and 51st observation. Writing the frequencies by adding the individual frequencies, we get cumulative frequency. So let us first write cumulative frequency. Marks obtained 20 as frequency 6. Cumulative frequency and frequency are equal here. This is with 20 marks. Then up to 25 marks, we have to add this frequency also. By adding this frequency, we will get 26. This is up to 25 marks. Now up to 28, we have to add this one, this frequency, 26 plus 24, this is 50. So 50 is up to 28. Then add 28, we will get 78. This is up to 29. Then add 15, we will get 93. This is up to 33. Then add 4, we will get 97. This is up to 38. Then add 2, we will get 99. This is up to 42. Then add 1, we will get 100. This is up to 43. The last cumulative frequency, this is equal to the sum of the frequencies here. Sum of these frequencies is 100. There are 100 students. The sum of the frequencies should be 100. The last cumulative frequency here is 100. If we write these cumulative frequencies and the observations giving the higher limits here, up to like this higher limits, if we write in this way, this is called cumulative frequency table. Here we are taking the cumulative frequencies for lower values of the observations up to the highest value here. So this type of cumulative frequency is called less than type cumulative frequency. Now we have to locate 50th observation and 51st observation from this cumulative frequency. So up to here we have 50 observations. So 50th observation is here only. The 50th observation is 28. So 50th observation is 28. Then next we have to get 51st observation. 51st to 78th observation is covered in this cumulative frequency 78. The value of observation here is 29. So 51st observation is 29. By taking the cumulative frequencies, we are able to locate 50th observation and 51st observation. There are two middlemost values. We have to take the average of these middlemost values to find median. So median is equal to average of these two values, 28 plus 29 by 2. This is 28.5. This median is the middlemost value. It indicates that there are 50% of students having below 28.5 marks and 50% of students having marks greater than 28.5. Thank you. See you in next video.